In today's video, we're diving into 12 powerful steps that will help you get rich, build wealth, and live the luxurious life you've always dreamed of. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's transform your future together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's begin. The first step to getting rich is knowing exactly what you want. Visualize your ideal life. A luxury home, high-end cars, exotic vacations. Write down your goals and set deadlines. A clear vision is the starting point for any success story. Knowledge is the key to wealth. Read books, take courses, and learn from the best. Understand the basics of investing, real estate, and financial markets. The more you know, the more you earn. Don't rely on a single source of income. Diversify. Invest in real estate, start an online business, or create digital products. The more income streams you have, the more secure you'll be. Saving isn't enough. You need to make your money work for you. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or promising startups. Time is your best ally for growing your wealth. Wealth starts in your mind. Believe in yourself, stay persistent, and keep your focus on your goals. Obstacles are just opportunities in disguise. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with ambitious and inspiring people. The right connections can open doors you never imagined. Social media is a goldmine for making money. Create content, monetize your audience, and collaborate with brands. Visibility is the key to online success. The internet offers endless opportunities. Start an e-commerce store, a YouTube channel, or a blog. With persistence, you can generate passive income. Real estate is one of the best ways to build wealth. Buy, renovate, and sell for profit, or rent out properties for steady income. Debt can keep you from getting rich. Avoid impulsive purchases and manage your finances with discipline. Live below your means to invest more. Create systems that make money while you sleep. Passive income is the key to a luxurious life without effort. Wealth doesn't come from waiting, it comes from taking action. Set daily goals and work tirelessly. Every small step brings you closer to your dream. Getting rich and living a luxurious life is within everyone's reach. Follow these 12 steps, stay disciplined, and never give up. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and start transforming your life today.